In this slide, we compare the sample tube, the filling pipette, and the traditional NMR tube. So XiGo uses NMR tubes which are specifically cut to a length of 120 millimeters. And the reason why we do that is because that's a convenient length to use these filling pipettes, which have a slender probe that descends down to the bottom of the NMR tube to make filling the sample easy without introducing any bubbles. In comparison, a traditional NMR tube is much longer and is typically filled with a very fine glass pipette. For concentrated dispersions, that's just not practical. They just don't flow down that typical glass probe. So we recommend these disposable pipettes and the short NMR tubes. They're also much safer. If for some reason you cut yourself using one of the traditional NMR tubes, that's not an obligation that our product liability insurance will cover, because you're not supposed to use those tubes. Now, in addition, the fill height of the tube is important. We recommend that you fill the NMR tubes no more than 54 millimeters in height. If you have additional fluid above that height, you will observe some noise in the signal, which can be avoided simply by using the proper fill height. You don't have to be exact down to the millimeter in terms of a fill height, but somewhere in the region of 50 to 54 millimeters will give you the kind of performance that you'd expect from a precision machine. These filling pipettes are disposable. I believe they are 3 milliliter disposable pipettes, again with the slender tip. They're available from Fisher Scientific and can be purchased in quantities of 500.